Hello, I'm Naomi from Beyond the Border, and we are celebrating International Women's Day. My job is as the programmer and person who gets to choose the artist for the festival, which is an absolute delight and really wonderful. What did I want to do when I was 10? I actually don't remember having any real clue. I don't think anyone was asking me, and I wasn't asking myself when I was 10, what do you want to do when you grow up? I was acting and playing music in my spare time, really enjoying that. But it was actually as I got into literature in a really big way through school and university that I also started to get really interested in what was happening behind the scenes in the arts and the people who were putting things on and putting them together. And then that really became my passion to get involved with that. I do think that people ask 10-year-olds far too much, what do you want to do when you grow up? And it's really good to just keep following your nose and then find your way into something that really feels right for you. What would my 3 tips be for somebody who was wanting to do this job? I think being really passionate about your interest in the work is really important. I'd also say working with mentors, finding mentors, whether they are people who you could work with directly or people who you admire, other people's work, other people's ways of doing their work. And then my 3rd tip would really be to trust your own instinct about what it is you want to do and how you want to do it. And even if you don't see other people doing that job or people like you, then do think that it is something that you can do, because as the writer Kwame Dawes says about writing, only you can say what you have in you to say. The same is true for doing a job. Only you can do it the way you want to do it, and you should just go for it.